of you on the last day of Advanced Frontend Mentor series. This series is continuing from last 2 weeks, and today is the last day of the day fifth for the Advanced Mentor series. I hope you all people are doing great, and some of them have awarded or qualified with the 5 project of the front-end mentor series which we have conducted last week, and also some are about to do the projects, and some have completed 2 to 3 project, and they are on their way. I guess by next week some will be doing it, and we will be awarding the certificate, as this is a special kind of certificate which you all will be giving, which you all can get after completing the projects. So there is no participation certificate. This is a project completion certificate which we will be giving. Also, we will be giving Google Forms today in order to so that you can fill it and share the GitHub link. Take your time to complete the projects. We are not in a hurry, and also we don't want you to in a hurry. And for today, as I have already picked up, this is the project stats preview card component which I have already picked up for the day, and this is a mobile view which is in front of your screen, and this is a desktop view as you all can see. So waiting for some more people to join. In case anyone have any doubt, you can ask us. We will share the WhatsApp group link also. In case people want to join with the WhatsApp group, you can also join. Hi all, a warm welcome. Please join fast. Today is the day fifth, the last day of this series, and soon we will be coming up with the next series very soon. So let's start now. Let's download the project. While the meantime, some more people will join. So we are done. As you all can see, we have imported the files given from Frontend Mentor to the VS Code. Let us quickly run it. So that's all they have given. As you all can see, since the last few days, what projects we will be picking, that they will be provided nothing from the front end mentor, as we all have to prepare the thing from the scratch to the finishing product. And let me increase the font size for you so that it is visible for all you, as some of you will be viewing this in your mobile handset. So what they have given, let me quickly discuss the. So as you all can see, this is a container. This container have two part, left and right. Right have the image one, left part as a header, a paragraph tag, and three unordered list, which will again be changed to inline block. Okay, so nothing's move is there, as insights has a different color, as you all can see. So we need to do something for insights. Rest all are on the same page, and what they have given: style guide common. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so no, this time, as you all can see in this project, they have specified that this is the dark desaturated blue is the card background color, and very dark blue is the main background, and soft violet accent is the accent color. So this in this even in 10 projects, this is the first project where we will get to know that where which color has to use. And they've given the font size of 15 px, and there are two type of fonts with three font weights has to be used. So first we will first we will, actually this is an index file. Let us actually create style.css, and let me increase the font size. Okay, style.css with under HTML and fine. Perfect. So quickly here, okay, perfect. So this is the main thing, and no need for this in first. So what they have given, nothing new. So no need to do anything. Let's quickly link this. So after this body, they have given this. Okay, fine. Nothing new is required. So we'll start with div dot container, and inside this div we'll have div dot we'll have a separate class. 1 second. Okay, so we have the parent class container, and after that we have prepared another class as card image container. So, and inside this we'll have a class of div dot card image. 1 second. Okay, perfect. So we have prepared card image for, where is this? Where is the preview? So this is for card image. Okay. So we'll have another div inside this card image overlay. Sorry, all Z. So we'll have another div inside this. So as you all can see, a number of divs will be there, as the projects which look simple carry many tips. This is the basic understanding which you all have to be with you. And so after this, we'll have this for the card text container, the card text for all the text, the h1 and the h1 and the paragraph tag. So let's have h1. But for this h1, we have to define a class. And the class name will be card text header. So h1 class we card text header. Okay, fine, perfect. And inside this h1, the h1 will carry this part. But as you all can see, this inside has a different, this inside, one sec, has a different style. So what we did, we have moved it, Control Z, we have moved it inside the span. Okay, and after that, these all into the h1. So get insights that help your business. These insights we have allotted a span so that while giving the spelling, things will not get styling will not disturb the insights here. So the h1 is here, where h1 is there. Okay, so fine. So after this h1, let's have a paragraph. We have the class as card text paragraph. So what will move? We will move the entire paragraph content inside this. Where the paragraph is this from discover. Okay. So using the alt and up arrow here. Okay. So the entire content is in the paragraph now. So after this paragraph, we have the unordered list. As you all can see, this part. This part will comes in unordered list. Using the styling, will align them in a line. Okay. So after this paragraph, we'll have unordered list. Okay, perfect. So we need to we'll have a class a text list. Okay, perfect. So let's have the li, and in this li, the name of the class will be card text list item. So here we will move this in this li. Okay, so as you all can see, 10K has a different styling, and the below this 10K, the companies has a different styling. So we will be using the span, or we will use here we will use a break row, and after this break row we'll have what happened, a span, and in this span we'll move this companies. No. Okay, so here comes the first list item. So there are three such allies. So we will copy it and we will change it alt x as per the requirement. So not 10K, control V, and alt x, control V. So it's only 314, not 314 plus, so we will delete it. And so as you all can see, the basic structure has been completed, and this is the header part. Let me correlate this with the image first. So this is the header, this is the paragraph tag, these are the list item, and in the right side we'll have a image tag, so that we will be inserting with the help of background image in the styling part. Fine. Once again, let me quickly rearrange the things. save it. So going to style.css, as you all can see, we have given two type of fonts which we need to download it and insert it in the this code. So what is the name of the inter and so let us quickly Google inter. They have asked for 400, 700, 400, 700. Okay, and what's the next one? 400. This one they have given for 400. Hi Darshan, welcome. This one they have given for 400. Okay, so let's quickly import it in the style.css and save it. So things will change accordingly here. Okay, so we'll have a padding of 0 and margin of again 0 and have the text decoration none and the list style also none. List style also none. Okay, so things are come. Okay, so everything has come into the top of the web page. Perfect. So we'll go to the body part now. The font size 15 px they have given, and font family, yes, they have given the font, and here we will use the inter. And we use sans serif as the fallback font. Let's have a background color, not border color. Always check the shortcuts. Background color, what they have given. One second. What they have given, let me check. So we'll do one thing. Let's quickly, we'll leave it as of now. There is a reason. We will quickly assign variables to the colors so that we can use it as where we can want. root main which is a 7%. This is the background color. So we'll add gg color okay, this is the card color. Then we'll have the accent color. And color is 61%. This is the accent color. They have already given the here. It is very. This is a very help for you not to decide, as they have already given which color to use where. Okay, perfect. So after that, we'll have the neutral colors. Main white, which is the white color, which is the white. This is the main white. Okay. Which color is the paragraph white? Uh, Paragraph white. This is the paragraph white. And we'll have the stats heading white. Which is the slightly transparent white. Okay, it's a 0.61. Okay, perfect. So here we have assigned CSS variables to the color, and now it is very easy for use. So now we will use the background color here, which is the main background color. Very nice. We'll have the color also, which we have given as the main white. So now see, the things are coming to shape now. And as soon as we insert the background, we insert the right image, the half of the thing will complete then. So let's quickly pick the containers, sorry, the classes, and assign the styles. 10%, 6.4%. So border will be none, and border radius we have 1%, and background color they have given. Already we have assigned variables, so no need to worry. It's the card VG color, card VG color. Okay, perfect. See, and we don't want the overflow, so we'll have the overflow as hidden. Correct. So the next class is card image container. So here we'll have the width as auto, and height 247 px. So as you all can see, it comes into the center. So now we will add the card image, the image which is in the right side of the page. So background URL images, and have the image header mobile. So it's there, and we have no repeat, no repeat, and center. Perfect. So this I can say will again have this center. So no repeat, center, center. Perfect, perfect. So again we have the background size as cover, and maximum width what will you taking is 100%, and height also as 100%. So the image has inserted now. So we'll align the next class. We'll have the width as 100%, and height again as 100%. Position will be absolute or relative. Position will be relative, and we'll use Z index to move the image. z index 2, and the background is already we have given the accent color. We are accent color. Okay, fine. So the next class is card text container. We'll have the margin as 4.5% and 9%. And text align will be center. Okay. So let's have the next class as card text header. So in this, we'll have the font size as 1.6875 rem, and margin bottom will have 2.413%. Okay, so let's move on to the span class. I'll have the color. We'll have the color as accent color we have given. Now there's a paragraph class which we have given. Let's target that. Perfect. And we'll have the color of this paragraph as we have already given the paragraph white. And margin bottom is 10.512%. Okay, so you can see the bottom things have come a little bit down, and then we will move to now after this paragraph we have given a class as card text list item, which is a common class for all the items lying in the bottom. We'll have a margin top of 3.56 percentage. Let's have a font size also. One point 6975 rem, and font weight They have given up 700. Perfect. Nice. So 1 second. Let me quickly. Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll move on to the next one, the cortex text item, and after that, the cortex list item span, what they have given. We'll have the font size of one rem and font family here. The Lexan Deca font we have to insert. Okay, so after this font family, we'll have the font weight of 200 and text transformation will be uppercase and the color as we have already assigned variable, so no need to worry, we'll have the heading white. One sec, let me quickly check the code. At something is not working. 1 second. Padding, padding 0, margin 0, text decoration none, and list style none. Okay, fine. So in the body, we'll have the font size of 15 px, font family enter, and this background color is we have given main GVG white, and color is this. Okay, so we have given the root, and after this we have placed the container. So in this container, we'll have the margin as 10% and 10%, 6.4%, border none, border radius is 1%, and overflow we have given as hidden. So after this card image container, width is auto and the height is 247 px. Perfect. So then moving on to the card image, so mobile image, no ribbon, center, background size is cover, and max width is 100%, height is again 100%. So after this, the card image overflow we have given the width is 100%, height is 100%, position is relative, z index they have given is 2, and opacity is 0.6, background variant is very novel fine. So then we have card text container there where we have given margin is 4.5% and 9%, text align is center. The card text header, Font size is 1.6875, 1.6875 RE, margin bottom is 2.413. In the card text header span have only the color. Okay, now the card text paragraph color and margin bottom is 10.512%. Perfect. So after this we'll have the card text line item and margin top is 3.56% and font size is 1.9675 rem. Font weight is 700. Okay. So the card text list item span will have the font size as 1 rem, font family is this, font width 700, sorry, font width is 200, text from uppercase and color is variable stats heading white. Okay, so it seems correct. Let me quickly check the what index. So we'll have a container which contains all the thing till the bottom. Let me see. And after this we'll have where is the container, this is a container, all the things at the bottom. Perfect. And after this we'll have a class which contains, will have a div which contains two div which contains 2d. Perfect. So after this we'll again have a div. What does this contain? One h1, one paragraph, unordered list. It contains h1 paragraph and unordered list. Okay, fine. And after this we'll have the h3. Sorry, we'll have the h1. Where is the h1? Here is the h1. Okay. And after this we have the paragraph class. So what is not working here? So we'll do one thing. Not to worry. Let's quickly change the size to mobile view. Let's quickly finish that. Then we will check again. At the media screen, at that media screen and minimum width as 800. 800 px and here we'll have this. Okay, so at that media screen, the rate media will have the only screen. At that media only screen and minimum width have 800 px. Okay, fine. We'll target the card image first, and we'll have the background size. Background size. That's 100%. And the background URL what they have asked. They have asked to use image header desktop JPG. Image header desktop JPG. Perfect. With no repeating center. Okay, with no. Let's have the another class as card image container. Here we'll have the height as 450 px and width as 100 percentage. And now going back to dot container, we'll have display as flex, and flex direction will be one second. This is a wrong code. Flex direction will be row reverse. And we'll again have that card text container. Text align, justify, and margin will have 10.25%, 8.3%, 0, and 5.2%. Dot card text paragraph will have the margin top, that's 4%. And after this, card text paragraph will have the margin top as 4%. Dot card list. One second, we have given another class dot card text list. Dot card text list, yes. The margin top will be 9.75%, and the display will be flex, and we have the justify content as space between. So after this, we'll have media, minimum weight 300 px, and we'll have dot card image, and in this we'll assign background size as 100%, ink 100%. In the card image container, we'll have height of 800 px. Let me go through the code once again. Hmm, 1 second. So there is, so as you all can see, we are done with the project, and you all are requested to please prepare the project for all the 5 days, and those candidates who will be completing this 5 days project will be awarded a certificate via our TWT channel. And all the best. Take your own time to complete the project, as it will not get complete in a overnight. Take your time. All the best. Thanks for the patience. Thanks a lot.